Hi, welcome back to my channel. We're making a lot of progress. We're making a lot of progress. The title of this lesson is Making Reusable JavaScript. Okay, write reusable JavaScript with functions. So we're getting into functions. So it says that in JavaScript, we can divide up our code into reusable parts called functions. Here is an example of a function. So you can see that different parts. So it says that you can call or invoke this function by using its name followed by parentheses like this. I know we should have come across some functions that are like this. But these are actually functions that have been defined by JavaScript. But then in this lesson, we're about to learn how to create our own functions to do what we want them to do. So it's saying that if you want to call a function, you write the function name followed by the parentheses. Each time the function is called, it will print out the okay, that's for this particular function now. Each time it is called, it's going to print out hello world on the dev console. All the code between the curly braces will be executed every time the function is called. So this is really cool because then you don't have to repeat a lot of code. You can just put in a block of code that you need to call that you need to reuse. You could just put it in the function, and then anytime you need that block of code to be executed, you could just call the function. So it helps to keep your code dry. DRY, don't repeat yourself. I think I've mentioned something like that in one of our lessons. Yeah. So it says that we should create a function called reusable function, which brings the string hi world to the dev console and then call the function. So in creating a function, we start by using the function keyword followed by the function name. So this is whatever we want to call our function. But from the challenge, we've already been given a name to call. So I'll just go ahead and use that name, reusable function. Yeah, and then followed by my parentheses, brackets, then like curly braces. So right inside here, I'll just say console.log hi world. Yeah, so to call that, I'll just have to type out my function name and then followed by my parentheses. Yeah, and so once I run this code, okay, it's not defined. I must have made a mistake in the spelling. Re okay, I have resuable. Reusable. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah, and it automatically calls Harold. You might not really see how powerful functions are from here because we just have one line of code, and yeah. But then in the next lessons, we're going to see how important functions are in programming. So let's go ahead and let me make sure that I've gotten everything right. I don't want them to give me an error. Okay, run the test and there we go. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in my next video.